Monday marks the deadline for most Americans to file their 2021 individual income taxes with the IRS. Tax day usually falls on April 15th, but it was pushed back to the 18th this year due to the Emancipation Day holiday here in Washington, D.C. Residents of Maine and Massachusetts have until April 19th to file because of Patriots' Day. The deadline comes as the IRS struggles with staff shortages and a backlog of returns from 2020. Joining me now with more on all of this is CBS News reporter Sarah Ewall-Wice. And Sarah, we are going to break it down for anyone who has left their taxes for the last minute, which is not something that I personally have any experience with, and I'm sure you don't either. But just in case, first off, if it looks like you're not going to make it, how does a person file for an extension?
Yeah, Nancy, I am not one of those people who procrastinate to the last minute. But if you are one of those procrastinators, you can file an extension. This will give you another 6 months up until October 17th to file your taxes. The form you're actually looking for is the 4868 form, and you can find it on the IRS website. You can file online for that requested extension through Free File through the irs.gov. What that means is you'll have an extra amount of time to file your taxes. But something to keep in mind is this does not mean that you don't actually have to pay the taxes you might owe. So if you do owe taxes, the vast majority will be getting refunds. But if you do owe taxes, you are going to have to estimate your tax liability, and you are going to have to pay that. But this does give you extra time should you need to gather additional forms, should you not owe those additional taxes. To do so, you can do it online. It's pretty simple to do, and you can do it today, which is the tax deadline.
Fantastic. So what are the potential penalties if you miss the filing deadline?
Yeah, so one of the reasons why you should definitely file for an extension rather than delaying completely and not filing is you're going to face a number of penalties, and also you could end up having to pay interest on your taxes. So this really depends on what you do. If you fail to file, there is a penalty that you owe. If you fail to pay taxes, there's a penalty that you owe. And these really are depending on how long you wait. For an example, if you fail to file, it could be a 5% for every month late that you fail to file, up to 25%. Something to keep in mind, I said, even though you might file for that extension, that means you still have to pay your taxes. Something to keep in mind is you can actually get on a payment plan. So if you really cannot afford to pay your taxes right now, it doesn't mean you shouldn't be doing anything. You should be in contact with the IRS. You should be filing your extension. You should be looking online. There are different plans, either short-term or long-term payment plans, depending on the taxes that you owe. And when you owe them by, you'll end up having to pay that depending on the plan you're in.
So we've heard a lot about, and you've done a lot of reporting about this IRS backlog from 2020. No surprise, you had a lot of government workers who were working from home because of the pandemic. So how is all that impacting this year's filing deadline? And what does it mean for people who might be waiting for a refund?
Yeah, so we've talked a lot about the substantial backlog because of the coronavirus pandemic. So what we know at this point in time is the IRS, as of earlier this month, had received about 91 million returns. The thing that we say is good news is if you're filing your return electronically, you should still get your refund within 21 days. That is good news. We know that the IRS, as of the beginning of the month, had already given out 63 million refunds, totaling more than $200 billion. So they are a little bit behind from last year, but those returns are going, or those refunds are going out within the 21 days. That's good news. The challenge here, and what we're referring to when we talk about this backlog, is the paper filing. For those who have filed on paper, there are millions of returns that are stacked up that they still have to get through from last year. So if you're filing this year on paper, your return is going into that same pile, first in, first out, which means you could be waiting months to get your refund, which is why they're urging everyone to file electronically. The good news is about 90% of people do, in fact, file electronically. But if you're part of that other roughly 10%, just keep in mind you could be waiting if you're filing through paper.
Sarah Ewall-Wice, such great concrete information for procrastinators like myself. Thank you so much for bringing it to us today.
Of course, Nancy. Thank you.